Hi everyone. Today we're going with Georgi to Walking Street. He arrived first day. He stay in the same apartment here. It's good apartment. And we're going to Walking Street right now. Excuse me, what is this? It's food for every bar you give, yes?
It's
From
for the girls.
who work in the bar?
Yes.
Help.
Yes.
Nice, very good. You need Viagra or not? Not need. I can see.
Probably ain't too hard to say.
Here so noisy. So maybe walk first? Yes, yes. Georgi, not need massage for you. Not need? Maybe you need massage after traveling. Expensive, okay. You seen, Georgi? She threw coconut juice. maybe don't like, but why in the center of the road need? I don't know. Yes, coconut juice, buka shake. Yeah. In Russia don't have the same people. They not guys not change clothes like this.
Maybe change.
Maybe change, but what?
They hide from everyone.
For example, if you see if someone seen people who change clothes like here, like lady boys, what you think they do it in Russia? What you think? What you think?
Punch him.
Really? Punch? Really?
It's dangerous to be,
Dangerous.
to
Dangerous.
be lady boy in Russia. yes.
Okay. Okay. What's why you like Philippines? Because here not same like in Russia. Not dangerous. If you change clothes, woman clothes, no one who can touch you here.
Nobody cares.
Yes. Арабески. А?
The girl.
Where?
Tall girl.
Tall girl?
Yes,
I don't know. Have another bar. This is another bar already. You? They don't know.
Yes, several.
They don't know you?
Several new. Maybe 3 or
Okay. I not been in Saturday night. Just now I think why I need go if I next day go. I take video. But at shooters tall girl, Georgi. Tall girl, yes or not? Yeah, tall. Hi everyone, we now in Sit and Kokomas restaurant. We already finished it with Georgi, and we not long time here because Georgi very tired. He traveling about 36. How many hours you traveling from Russia?
Yes, about 36.
36 hours traveling from Russia. That's why now 10 p.m. in the Philippines and Walking Street. We now going to his apartment, and I will continue video. You can show. Also full video you can see for members. I not cut video. All bars. What we talking. You can see in my video in members. Members can see all. Also members can see all information about us. Sometimes we can give more information. Most of subscribers maybe don't know, but members you can know all. So let's go. You already okay.
Okay.
Take a look, girls already stand here near ex-freelancers park. Of course, we're inside dark. No, we're waiting jeepney now. Now 10 p.m. now, 10 p.m. We already going to hotel. Georgi go to apartment. I will go to home. Thank you for watching. This video you can see full for our members, and you can see all parts.